Hello, future programmers and the programmers. Today we will see how we can create password randomly, how we can generate password randomly. So we all make use of passwords on a daily basis. So to keep our account safe and prevent our password from being hacked, so we have to make our password is hard enough that nobody can guess. So this code password generator or generate password is the random password generating program which generates a password mix of upper and lowercase letters as well as numbers and symbols strong enough to provide us the great security. So we will learn how we can create a random password generator. Okay. Before explaining you the code, let me tell you what is a password and what is random and string module is. So a password is basically sometimes called a passcode. It is a memorized secret that typically a string of characters usually used to confirm the identity of a user. So in other words, we can say that it is a string of characters used to verify the identity of a user during the authentication process. Okay. And in this code we are going to use the random and string module. So let me tell you what is random module. So random module is basically used to perform the random generations. We are making use of random.sample module here. And if you're gonna observe the if when I will run the code and when you will observe the output, you can see that all characters will be unique. So this random.sample module never repeats the characters. And if we don't want to repeat characters or digits in the random string, then we're going to use the random.sample module. But it is less secure because it will reduce the probability of combinations because we are not allowing repetitive letters and digits. And the string module is basically it contains a number of useful constants, classes, and a number of functions to process the standard Python string. So this module has a uh, lot of methods inside it, the like string.sky letters, string.sky or lower case. It has a lot of features, string digits, string punctuation, which we are going to use. So now we are familiar with password use cases, and we have acquired basic knowledge of random on string module also. Now we can move forward to the coding section. So before explaining you the code, let me just run this code. So let's just run it. You can see that it is saying we can generate our password. So first of all, we have to enter the length of the password. Suppose I have written 5. After writing 5, let's click enter, and you can see that we have our password ready. Now let's run it again to show you it creates random password every time we run the code. Now let's suppose I enter the length 7. See, since we are using random.sample module, so it is not repeating any character or digit. You can see here. Okay, you can see that in the code we are importing two modules, random and string, which I have explained you. Now we are printing the now we are printing hi, let's generate password. After once we are done with this, we will greet after greeting the user, we will ask the user to for the length of the password. Okay. After entering the length of the password, now we are defining the data. We will make use of string module for the same, uh, which I have told you the features we are using in the string module. Now we have stored lowercase and uppercase letters along with numbers and symbols. Now we are combining the data and store the data. You can see that now we are combining it and then we are storing the data. Okay. Now we have the data. We will make use of random module to finally generate the password. We are using the random module. Now we are passing in the combined data along with the length of password and joining them at the end. You can see here. Okay, now we have a clear understanding of the Python code. Now we can never reduce the number of line of code by eliminating the storage of the data. Okay, and after running the code, we will have our password. So with the help of the script, you can create any password randomly. Now, before finishing the video, let me just run the code once again and enter the length 8 and press enter. you can say that it is again giving us a new random password. So I hope you find this video useful and you can create as many random password as you want. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.